Hello, this is the demo of our submission for Microsoft Codefundo++ 2019, an app for the Indian election, reliable, secure and robust. The team members include Ritvik, Ishar and Bhargava from PES University. The main objectives for our model was to make the election reliable by removing any frauds and cheating of any form, allowing every eligible voter to vote and ensuring valid identification using Aadhaar biometrics, allowing a candidate belonging to any constituency to vote in their nearest voting booth, irrespective of where they live. And lastly, making calculations of votes fast and reliable and avoiding any miscounts. We are using Azure Blockchain Service and we have already deployed our smart contract onto the network. We use the Quorum protocol, which runs a permission ledger on the Ethereum network. We use the HTTPS access keys to connect to our blockchain via MetaMask. Now, let's get into the app and see the actual workflow of the voting process. This is the homepage of our app, and we have connected our Azure Blockchain account to MetaMask, and this is how we will be writing transactions into the blockchain. As a part of the pre-election setup, the admin must log in with credentials given by the central authority beforehand to set up constituencies and the candidates. Now, let's add a constituency. When we add a constituency, a MetaMask notification comes up asking us to pay for the transaction to be written into the blockchain. Since this is a private network, we can specify the amount we need to pay and hence save all expenses. As you can see, the transaction got confirmed and we can start adding candidates. Let's add our first candidate. Now let's submit our candidates and confirm. The details were saved successfully. The pre-election setup is over and the countdown has begun. Let's start voting. This is the voter login page. This is the page that the voters will be seeing on the EVM on the election day in the polling booth. As you can see, the authentication page asks us for our details, the Aadhaar number, constituency ID, and the biometric details. As we said earlier, you could vote for any constituency from anywhere in the country. So, a person living in Delhi but originally from Bangalore could vote for his home constituency right from Delhi. We would check that he's actually from the Bangalore constituency using his Aadhaar details and the biometric matches. Since we do not have the hardware for the fingerprint scanner or the retina scanner, we have simulated it by giving numbers, 1 or 0, which is how most biometric validation systems work, returning 1 or 0 indicating whether it was a match or not. Let's add in our details now and check if it authenticates. The details do not match, so let's retry. As you can see, we are into the voting page and we have to cast our vote to one of the two candidates. Let's confirm our vote. And our vote has been successfully casted to the candidate. Now, let's see if the same person can vote again. Let's add in our details and submit. As you can see, it says that you've already voted and you have to go home. As you can see, this is the results page and this is only an admin privilege. The general public cannot see this page and cannot know the results until the official announcement. Also, you cannot check the results or the current state of the election before the timer runs out. And we can check the results now. The winner is displayed, and we can check the result for the constituency too, which was DV Sadanandagar.
To conclude, we would like to say that our application makes it easier for both voters to vote and for administrators to manage elections and to check results.
Azure Blockchain Service made it really easy to manage and deploy a full stack app for us.
We would like to thank Microsoft for giving us this opportunity.
Thank you.